Eke nana sweni moge tanya, mukere wekoro, nokenya.
Osayume, yamu na weke. Eke nana sweni moge tanya, mukere wekoro.
Baba yume, yamu na weke. Eke nani sikoko bame denge, mukere wekenya o.
Share this video. My very one of the generation for God. Let's start with mommy. Let's start. Swear your start. Let's start with the bayi. We are there. Oh, bomba, send
Share the video, guys. Pause of this video. Let's play on. Who is adopted? It not be youth again. But then when they sleep with married woman, not be youth again. Yes, my lovely people, I greet you all with better start what alright. Yes, you all know this is wrong. Victory woman, one of the devices social media. Hey, are you boy, yo, my baba with a smile. I just do my drink. I want you. Yeah, please, as you are watching this video, please share this video. Very, very important. Very, very important broadcast this beautiful evening. Please share this video. Sharon. Yes. You know, say this video fair comments. This useless bonful, God-forsaken, frustrated single mothers in Paris. We don't do a shower tire for what did they call it? We don't do a shower for Paris there. We I call the friend. By the time I found out say after the daytime, she see a good work. Now I take very, very important. Let's make I share this video with myself. A CV go be smart. Rachel, now we are CV smart. The Facebook, the TikTok. I think our picture should supposed to be here, right? No me never give that popularity now. Not be share. I don't want to give her that popularity now. But I just want to disgrace and small. Disgrace. You understand? So, if you don't want to video now, I'll see the horse, they play, don't play. Hey, boy, yo. This video, I wanna go see the useless audio which they play. She not see audio of the woman. When the woman talk say she na married woman. She dey husband house. She go to edit audio they play they give her. Now me want play the woman voice record. Me want listen to the woman record. And me want listen to the one we see here they play the for media. Please share this video. Because me, you see me as you see me so let me be the social media and you I said adulterous women stop. Any adulterous woman I catch and they put up my body woto ogun bazian. Now, if to say this all the husband has and they fuck him, I don't know. I can't find that now say she did husband has. I go listen to the beat her. That's what can do what done now. 2 years plus we are taking friend of Okan. Okan not tell me saying the husband has and Okan no it's not she's not even married. Okan never married, Okan never born. She's a single girl. You feel the vibes. Okan is not married for abroad. Traditionally, she's not married. You see the one way they go to record her, call they form all those records, call they edit record, just to still bring my name down. If I was here, like me kuwe kenogi, kewe, even here ni doga dogi waya soon for national peace to be. Moye baba with a smile, talk on the beer. The most sweetest part of it all, where enogi with the baby boy. Now we Frank me up on here lele. Iya you there go the better your hair with your behalf. How do you feel right now? He shook you, Abi. You see, say no one did the category of your stupid equal wife. Egbono mu you are. No big be agere kasade na le Roma mana. Ne timaya no le gan de no ka ike agwaga ohe no zigo to zigo no ku timaya. Guy, just play. Apostle when you vacancy Roma man. Ke na gbe go da bridge. Ware kasade na. E che ya muda ina house we bojono signora totovava piano amore mio piano piano 10 euro e che ya house apostolo ye vacancy. I don't want to go down, I don't want to go far to that extent, understand? So guys, please share the video before I will play the audio of Awokan. I see the fake audio where Sylvia they edit this Sylvia! Moye baba with this man. I told you when I'm ready for you. You go collect woto. You go know say baba with this man. Now you hang up with you. You see the way they bring other post story to me to saga them. That's not go saga you because I got your story. Hello, we are ready. I hear you. This speaker.
Oui, pardon. Moi.
Dis-moi. Comment go? Thank you. Thank you. Water. So, my people, I will play the woman record for not to hear. Watching this up. This record, who did this phone where they do this TikTok so? The record name I want to make me. Mamma mia. The record na yare. I go off this TikTok. Una yo hold on, what the TikTok? Well, TikTok maybe your post, I don't know. Nika wa poa. Oh my God. My God. My God. I have you TikTok. Maka wa post now. A video audio is very important. Yeah, what way? Audio is going straight to Mamma mia. Wahyata. You know my katadota. Wahyanya. We know my kanya dunya. La hobrada we nunya mame. Wahyanya. We know my kanya dunya. Now sister we nunya mame. What's the yo? Why did they quee? Audio. Yeah, most of me. TikTok. I'm back for TikTok because I want everybody to be at alert to listen to this audio. Please share this video. Yes, share the video both on Facebook and on TikTok. Si via be no gino iya we me o hi me wo no ro wodo o no ro wodo na wo kan ya wo kan ro wodo. You understand? I would have loved to call this woman, but I don't say to pick because she diverse. Or me, my sister, you know, for diverse. May you use our relationship to spoil my name. I will not accept that from anybody. I friend you fine, you know the husband as you are a single girl. That will be any me could do amu way or do amu or if family do a day a same way I drag you on Facebook. No normal level. I'm a man. Man understand. Despite where we presenters. It does not warrant you to be ashamed of dating a man like me. Publicly. An inside door, not going to come in on this sweethearts. I see what the Facebook if we are more. If we are good, This is my job. A lot of people want to date very dark man. They go to fuck very dark man for his house. They don't shame them let them talk to them very dark man than their boyfriend. Many girls did that. They did this media. Why you going to hide this chalk prick? You know if you both say the prick on your own. My guy. That video not call you. He called you. You could have been better. Yes. This one you could only sleep now, but I will play him. I will cut him. I'm tired. Wagiyata enumae kata dota. Now, I'm gonna share the video. She's not big. Now, since she's not big, let me play her audio when I called her 2 days ago or 3 days ago, yeah. So you guys will hear from her. You know what I'm saying? Sylvia. You are so shameless she-goat. You understand? You said you go back go.
Hello.
How are you? Hello, how are you?
Am I happy? Am I happy? Am I happy with me? No, so no, darling, because now where they are, you know, when they are live here, when they are here, right from time. So I feel so somehow seeing myself on a what party with a very nasty word, many things. I'm not happy, I don't want to pretend at all. I'm not happy at all.
Okay, fine.
If I said I'm happy, I'm lying. I'm not happy.
It isn't good at you.
The family see because of this issue.
Hold on, let me. It isn't now that you. You understand? I'm not supposed to who called you. I have a reason why I called you. Number one, my reason why I called you. Remember where did we have me with water? You told me that you are a married woman.
Because
I was surprised now where they are not saying it where you are the way you come out to say that you are a married woman.
They just change everything. This is crazy. This is crazy.
No problem. No problem. So no problem. It's okay. Because I was surprised.
With this man. Eddie can wear soft is of Ovenugi. Real more Yaki Taverio. Equal the problem on Rockba. You know me right from time. It didn't go the problem on Rockba, more Baba.
No problem.
More.
No problem.
Eddie Taverio, and to take the Saga, equal the Saga on Rockba. Yeah, home here.
I've heard you, okay? It's all good.
Anything, no, anything, then no, please. please. Please.
Also, not that was the easy way I called. I just want to know because in the surprise, understand here where with those who water. Yeah, Saga was that where I was surprised where Umama water. Where water. Maybe have a can be water. Maybe I've been fighting against adulterous, but we are not a cocoa no water. I was so shocked. That's the only thing why you are only back and a rubbish area alone. You know, I'm a joke. That's normal, but only back what we are.
Very disgusting.
No problem, it's all good. While I run.
Mommy, I give you time.
All right, take care. Yeah. Now, so we know. Now, first of all, let me go straight to this Owokan. For many of you doesn't know Owokan. None of them know. She based in Spain before. She was living in Spain. You understand? She's been with white women for the past decades of years. You feel me? So this woman is not a married woman, and everybody that know her in Spain know that this woman, she's not a married woman. Oh yeah. She's not a married, she just live with a man who adopted her for years, and that man I give her documents. You feel me? So right from Spain for years, for decades of years. So there are things you don't know about somebody. And the truth I say, I always say it, what you don't know is bigger than what you know. That's the truth. For me, I will only tell you what I want you to know. You understand? This particular lady, she's a twins. The audio in Nigeria. You understand? She's single, she's not married, she doesn't have any child. She's just single. She's a single girl. You understand? So, what's it called? Belek waiting for Paris. Belek Paris nowhere. You and your so-called a winnow one money why I see I. No book can I be like a live video. No mind no be right. That's the reason why I just make just play this audio. To debunk that your lies. You understand? And I believe that many of you guys are here listen very careful and hear me more in Baba with this media in one of section nations. Manake wa kwa watani. Who are we here? A good food is better than a doctor. You understand me now? If you like character to carry breast, and you don't get character, they go chop you, so suck your breast, dump you at the end, just like waiting I do to Syria. You carry breast, you carry because when you wide. I chop to two, I suck breast, and I dump you. I go leave you for us. Go marry who qualified to be a wife. I went out there to marry a virtuous woman. Because you now use and dump. Company use to dump you with Peking. Now no one come marry you. Foreigner chop you. Run leave you. A whole me now come marry a remnant. A remnant woman like you. You think I'm stupid. Right? Then you go look. As woman surrounded for social media. Go TikTok. There be 2.5 naira. Free of charge. You know who pay. They go give you money journal. They go fuel your tank. Now, too so low to go with you when they use bread, they find market dog. You when company don't finish. You born for Gambia man. Boy, what are you saying, boy? Boy, what's your name, boy? Boy, what's your name, boy? Me here married with not boy. Where ekia enia umozoda ya go he tekbe. When I fear ever been. When make we can go we are gina or giame. On a saga. Don't even retire with be social media now. Oh, na aro veboyo. Oh, go bagaro way. Veboyo. Oh, go banana any tie with me. Do you wait more well we are vebo? More time. Ah, most about the kias ye by ye. Who will not be well? Ye know, okay, oh, beu. Ubeu shachik. Ese no ma so he. O wasi yen wo. If I allow egbe so I say why you track. So Matty will be more the one over here. Had what you want me out to be yet, you don't go your yes or hair. That's why I be like, frustrated with a almost so I be me and little boy, so I can you kira? Oh God, be a car. Sylvia Love. Sif, only my dear Sylvia Lodge. That's the name. Most was Sylvia Lodge. When I say, what's your ear? Should you play that audio? No, you can't pause in there. I may. Even what was different. Now, yo, Okuno, we are no what are you? Okune Sylvia Enoki, Enoki, we, Enoki, Woro, Nia Woro, Enoki, for the bottle. What are you doing?
Hello.
Oh, how are you? Hello, how are you?
Am I happy? Am I happy? Am I happy with me? No, so no, darling, because now where any way, you know, when you live here, when you are near, right from time. So I feel so somehow seeing myself on a with a very nasty word, many things. I'm not happy, I don't want to pretend at all. I'm not happy at all.
Okay, fine.
If I said I'm happy, I'm not happy.
The
family see because of this issue.
Hold on, let me
be a man. They my friend for 2 years plus. The family went away me. They to give me a cone where we be a man. If family would where frankly my cone. That will be a me. A family would go to the fucking my cone. What are you saying? Don't you know the work I do when you were dating me? The family of my real life video presenter. You know what I mean? You understand? What are you saying? I said to him, what another? You know me as a live video presenter. You loved me. We dated for long. Okay, let's even know my friend that when you couldn't allow no beer you way. Why you have family don't know beer no our mozo. You do agbo will be no mozo. You do a logo will be no mozo. What are you saying? The truth is this way. After I got married, you stepped down. We are still friends. That's the truth. The fact where on another day no see you total you walking on Ladian. Because I don't know my picture. I don't see where Ladian. She knew she failed as a woman. At 2 weeks ago, we are still talking. When we are still talking, we still communicate. Why you have more fun? I'm not my wedding date. If I way you communicate, oh, you congratulate me. You call into the video when I was dancing on that floor. You congratulate us. Who congratulate even? You were not hungry. It's my choice. After that, 2 weeks ago here, my way for 2 weeks see, there's another a guinea. What another guinea large now? We'll still communicate. We are still talking. We are all laughing about this issue of this Guinea man. So, there's a matter like social media. You knew where you are not a married woman. So, why would you still solo? You are changing. You are feeling you to tell them that you are a married woman for them to leave to stop saga you for what? When you know you are not married, then who are you going to break down? Where am I married? When you are a married woman, when you know you are not married, when you know you are a single woman, when you want to impress, then what do you expect people to say? If they go every means to bring me down on social media, we believe we are married woman, when I believe we are a married woman, and a man married woman don't sleep, you don't love your career. You think I'm going to saga you? What I was saying? What are we saying? You are dating a lion. You're supposed to know you are dating a lion. For how long? Remember when I came to Sevilla? I know you when I was in Germany. You tell me now in Sevilla. Now when I read Germany. So what I will say? Why? Oh, I think Motonata. How can you be dating a man that you're not proud with? And you call yourself a woman? You're a useless woman. Can you be following? Are you the fuck prick when you don't proud of? Say you fuck this prick. Who born that person? You don't chop price for your marriage. You don't pay your bride price. Let me go you go Karawa. For how long you buy where you are? When you know what I'm fighting against. That's an adulterous issue. Now the pack we want to use my brain. Eh? Who you want to impress? Okay, as you say you be a married woman. Then they call live with the cost you. When me and you don't say you never marry. When I am where who I marry. Oh, yeah, they are disguised. You make an answer when you guys sagawa. Mona Sakaran. Which one say you don't marry? Why you for marry? Have you get the son, man? And they call you that you don't pick. So you don't marry. I don't say you go out tomorrow morning. Fine. And you see me, I call you pick. Nonsense. When a woman marry, a man who you want, marriage, you are a single girl. You don't eat, you will not do a woman. You just shave of matters to see no get caught. You are not getting age meet. Have you put it with Muna? Nonsense. At your age for abroad, you fear you no get.
You just know that you understand? I'm not supposed to call you. I have the reason why I called you. Number one, my reason why I called you. Remember where did we have me with water?
Beautiful question. You told me you are a married woman?
You told me that you are a married woman.
It's
a question. I was surprised now where they are not saying it where you are the way you come out to say that you are a married woman.
Those are that space of Uber. They just change everything. This is crazy.
They're not crazy.
This is crazy.
No problem. No problem, no problem. It's okay. Because I was surprised.
Baba with this man. Any can wear resources of Okinogi.
We must stop Okinogi. We must stop Okinogi. Why would I say so? If you are not ashamed of yourself, you don't stop person to give wife. Are you not even ashamed of yourself saying you stood so low, they accuse you, brought your picture out on social media? The same man when you were a friend, you never call phone, call me. You my phone utiene, una atie no gi. Why not get sense? My friend to where? A picture where Ladian. Who are you supposed to date with? Date with? Is it not me? Zena ya we. My woman picture. I'm a picture of well as you. I'm not going to say, remember, the picture of good there, they can't have a picture of her. The next thing you want to do, be calling okay. Say your mouth, trash. Anyway, I behavior. Unu ye kwa unu. Why is it me wa go me e be ware? Who is it no gay? You no my where? Look at my back here for what? And we are shaking now. When you know who you are, you know your words. Hey, why you not getting go me why? Hey, why you not me go? Oh, me why? Are they used to so low to carry phone? They call, they no give a phone. And no get bring your picture come out. You they call, you no give. I no give now. I recheck the list of the number who not be when. Where are no give you? Agbata no give you from the beginning of that brother to the list, from the sewing to the everything. Also, let this my shirt in me. This is stone lace. Oh, out or no? Hey, so you know Yoni. What am I? Man, who am I marry? That's the reason why I'm calling you. You pick my call. No more forget for no marry. This one is not. It's no longer calling inside house and record. Let's do this thing on live screen. Anyway, let the live video there. And the way it's like him, a picture we're on there, it's like him. There is no way you can bribe anybody to remove your name from social media. You are dating a presenter. Even when we actually that what we corner. If I know what he prove yes, and the chop this food, the chop corner. And the boy were afraid no man. All of them when they zoo also, which brother that friend will better pass me? He did. When I post the picture. The boy were afraid of a live video now. We post the picture again. When I afraid, me no wake me. No wake me. Post it before your ex-boyfriend who post the picture. Now can answer the brace. Nonsense.
Il voit les problèmes en Europe. You know me right from time. Il te voit les problèmes en Europe.
See, me I know say she's a calm woman. She's a very calm person. She's not a problematic person. Not a person with a like all this talk. All this all this kind of chatting. Oh, you know those kind of way when they do their thing like slow poison. She know they do all those kind of things. She's a very calm person. Who can it's not those it's not shy person. Me I put na only kwe muno. Only kwe mu. Owo kan we ku ore hian mune all those kind of thing. E won no talo no. E ke no you gbis. Like if I shot no sometimes you don't do now or all those kind of person that she be. The one normal. Yes, e mo we. No so na ge Sylvia. Unu mana o kan do bi me. We me arebe ani. Unu ba we igbo fa pa do bi me igbo fa e we do bi me. Nu pogi ai ho cho ya ho we. Otu ya mi otu no le bega mo ya mi. Ina ho e bega mo. Ina we ya le bega mo na we video. I'm laughing bega mo. Esi be ya ho be bega mo. Ya be ke yo hotel. E ka bana we wa me na bad guy ezisa wa ya ko e yeti ya wu baba we this back. We bie wonyo e mo si mo. Malasa. Ofimi now. Let's leave our work now. But I will still call you, or rather, you better call me. Yeah, I will call you. And by the grace of God, we are calling you. I want to make sure you be on live. Call me when I'm on live video. And come out and debunk that talk when they talk. So, I record him now because I record him without paru. Or see, they will like one shot. So because I know you. You behavior. Normal level, you know. We are changing matter. You are fear with you. Even water. You are fear with your live video. You are fear with your live video. Oh, The question is, are you a married woman? That's my question. You were once in Spain. I know how you relocate from Spain to Holland. First of all to UK. From UK to Holland. I say Holland, no way. You are not married. Everywhere. No, I thought in Spain. Or the way Holland. Or while you in Holland team now to speak. It's an old man. Wish me and you know. You understand? So, madam, you don't marry, that's the question. You don't marry when you only. Because you cannot tell me where you are supporting me of fighting adulterous and you are a married woman and you are sleeping with me. It's not possible. Automatically, that means you are an adulterous woman. When I wake up, supposed to do this live video. You understand? And barely the fake life. Wait a minute, you limit her. If I come on, man.
Mamo baba.
No problem.
Mo.
No problem.
Every time you go, I go back to Asaga. Equal is Saga Morokba.
I've heard you, okay? It's all good.
I tell anything, no, anything, no, please. Space.
Also, not you. That was the reason why I called. I just want to know because it may surprise me another time where we don't
You're
have
watching Jay.
You're
watching Jay.
Yeah, Saga was that where we were. I was surprised where Umaka Uru Wodo. Hey, where a water. Maybe have a year can be where water. Maybe I've been fight against adulterous. But we have a cocoa no water. I was so shocked. That's the letting know why you are only back and a rubbish area at all. You know, I'm a joke. That's normal, but only back what you are.
Very disgusting.
No problem, it's all good.
Oh, mommy, I give you time.
Alright, take care.
Hey, we are in Sylvia. Why would they change this woman matter? Why go change him in the Hunata, edited, or how where or Hunaro Wado? Where this one for the husband has my people? Now me date this woman. Me and this woman, the day video call for good 2 hours. On a joke. See, I'm not killing winner. Also, for winner, we go talk on Richards. My friend go cook, go bath, we go eat, we go do video call. Me go good, even they go to the bar, go do what things, abilities. We go do video call. Thing go tell bed. It is not like if you want sleep, we do video call. I see there as one. I see there call, my book man video call. See there call you were. I want to see there. See there go na want boning. Oni ne kokobiri muri ane. I dey boost your call. And here this one they call 247. Till she go sleep off. I'm not going to water. Or when we video cutting daybreak. Or water. Or what where you are? I don't understand. I don't understand now. House where my day. You don't go know say this man do this house. Woman where the husband go take cutting till she go sleep off. First thing in the morning, you go wake up, she go call you. Now you ain't gonna do video, go reach work. Person will be saying workmates, all of them know you. Oh yeah, what about who was war? Who about the Bokuta? And they talk and say, what you know no big pass you? Oh, why I don't tell you what the woman go to? Yes, now. Everybody knows people are stupid. More the king of social media. Make I cash you as a doctor so my boy. I can you go for na you obu. I go for no na you onu. Not because she no want to become second wife. I pursue her no. Because she doesn't want to become second wife. Let me step in. I call her. If to say this woman accept to be my second wife, There is no need of me adding Sylvia. No. Sylvia, I want to go Sylvia. Sylvia is a useless girl. Kill the family logger. Spiritually, they are evil. And when you get it, spiritually, they are evil. It's because who doesn't know Sylvia on the realm of the spirit. Now go look Sylvia fine. Sylvia is a Jezebel. When you get better, date me marry Sylvia women. And so what? I'm not married to the wife for you, what you consider for side. If you don't be married to wife or 2 months for you, suit yourself. And they talk about chain, not the feet goat, they feed dog. Rope, they feed goat, not the feed dog. So if 2 wives not fit you for abroad, if you fit another person, so pack where? Pack where? It's not your business. May you enter us. Wow. Every house with a kettle. When you marry back, today, you put single mothers. Oh, how are Europe? No more for no life. Eh, did you yak belu he? Did you back you whatever? Not back you Sylvia. Did you? I am Ekpo. I must have you. I will yak single mother elbow. When you not tossing the goa, irresponsible single mothers. Person who married 3 wives not be tapas who gets who the single no girls man. Ne make mu yuhe. E dey amu body beke no hia ya ere. Ogoli beka gege no hia ya ere. Useless women way for abroad. Yeah, have to talk. TikTok yana goli pe no go gbe ni ya no hia zin zero ba yin he. Wa woni ya na le ko ba yan we he o. I better be a single mother. At the end of the day, if we are getting a fridge, if we are getting a fridge, a lap here, put here with that. Because of bad character, man, they kick them. Man, don't slaughter the put outside fridge. Because of bad character, evil hearts will they get. Nonsense. Are you going to go back? When on a bay, you are a single mother. Okbere life well. Iwaya mi kayare nia, u mi kayare. When a demon iwayari, ure, you can't come. You the from say you dey smart. At the end, no level for you. You the from say you wise. At the end, man they usually dump you. You born to the picky papa. I don't want to be a single mother. I don't want to be a single mother. You are a single of 3 children and 3 fathers. That's what they help them for abroad after many years of prostitution. The tree when I hold the do balance now, madam. All of them the tree don't grow. The tree when I do it be agia. It not grow. I was shower when we I kuna ni yeye as you go ebo. Una wan pay na madam. It's actually when they go use that to do washago for abroad. At the end of the day, na call you na do washago. Till today, man not gree man for us. Person go speak making use na second wife, 3rd wife, 5th wife serve. When I go see the film activities, to do with them beautiful flat, to still there. Breast don't slack. When seed not dey side again. I will manage you when I go to the film activities. When your breast seed dey side, you usually do a for Toledo, for Napoli, for Radio Abilia. When seed dey side, Morocco the press on my side, inside train station. When the breast don't fall, we don't want to give them to Benin Mommy Control. We want soon with the Buruwa. Benin must still look us okay. Let me manage you. Maybe 2 in 1. No one can waiting on be. I will be again no useless, stupid sort of women. I mean the women of segregation. As we speak right now, who are you single? Because people bad character, okay, you where you are. Who don't know the bed, one of when you are in Spain. No, who are no snatch up the bow. Who go you were a virgin, no? When I'm will not can, no, you have your million, when I'm moving in the hole. Who not be a virgin you are. I want to give my daughter. My daughter is a virgin. I want to give my daughter from your daughter to you. From your daughter to you, no go wagon. Alec Biaga, Arabo Ventures. Arabo Alternative Ventures. Morokino Zekrom. Arabe is a Beleka Yohibi, Libya. Avec Zekrom. You got a pay when I talk so. No, not the truth they talk. Yes, it's so painful. We know the expression of Benima they talk to like this. Hey, man, why you? Hey, man, because it no says who or to agbe okay no wa habwa bin we agbe hwe o ekedu agbe benyawa before Asala will come insulting you have to insult people first so you will change your stupid character. Some of our Benin women, they are too dirty. Actually when they come from abroad they worry their brain, they don't get sense. When your breast 60 days inside, you not give Benima, you not buy Benima. When your breast is stand after you don't enter remnants. Now Benima you want that put was soon. When you're totally tight, you don't give Benima. After you don't use your total balance, madam. 60 million naira. 60 million. Come on, live. Build 4 flats for your pa, your ma. Buy motor for your pa. Use your total carry 4 of your brother enter abroad. 2 of your sister enter abroad. And now you want to form responsible woman for one man. Then go somebody that still carry join you, you go say no. Say because you gallant. You gallant. A gallant or boy. We not wicked, eh? Toto we don't wear. Na gallant. You do well. Off work, me. I greet you. Are they live? Are they live now? I mean, man. Don't mind this mumu let take care of it. I mean useless women. I went out one. I go disgrace you Nataya. Ne bless see you tawa when you no moto mo yan you me ya wawa. Cause wa unero la you weary. Unero la you weary. Nonsense. No dey for wife in the bed my mama say no dey work on the street. Now get a fridge. No dey for wife. Who marry for wife, you get rest of my get peace. You know better person marry one wife just on a fridge. I can get a fridge. A living dog is better than a dead lion. No dey for wife. Mama say now be a bear cool. Get to marry one wife. Jezebel everywhere. How you go down? So no one can no jinya ma. Ma de jinya na biya gbewu. Character not deal with them. Ule look be akpa character ma. Bogeva Emma. Bogea Emma. Bogene. Sister, I don't need me watching. Go repair your character. Go work on your character. When a character is dirty, I only help any useless woman. So see me so. I only help any useless woman because no help me. I'm money at the spent. From one fuck to two, I go use money fuck to two. Nonsense. You know why they proud that they feel they disgrace now? Because all these useless way they cry like motor way they sing so. No one don't talk say Frank is zero. And then the man say Frank is zero. Wow, I wish I get fathers in the Nigeria need the poly hotel. You go where poly hotel. Una money, now they build hotel for Nigeria. You let me give you the night paper here. Give one bolo. Ogbolo, paper here. But and you know Nigeria to go. You maybe we go buy. After the money, when I use the total work, when I give them, the rest not get 1 2 picky, 2 picky, 1 picky. When I born for them. Now I died and one call the phone and wickedness was soon. Either way, a rush of carry come. None of one show for. But here, love. Will you balance madam 60 million rand? Now, that you want to put your frustration for your body. Yama people. What do I from me when I get level, I get I know I'm married one man. I never really follow two man we got married to wife. Not married to wife, my master will not get the fridge. That's the question. Go France. Go look fridge for France. Now you might be nefla. Women breast with that fridge. Because of bad character. Because of bad character. I go up and worry. Why forming working? Now go the form activities. Everywhere aware. The Sylvia. Oye Gambia bi kokobiri ma bi mali obiena. Obiomona on remember 10 years in now. Okbiari life oge. Iya we mufwa. Ede amori gunukpo. We moto na we moto. Oh, God's working. By the way, I'm coming back from work. We just again. Nagi. Go check your life. We not going to any family here. A family here. Yeah, I will not be joke. What I do on the first time. Otion not the okan domojine. Second time, only marry domojine because you want to go. On you not wait for a while. On you not block it. You want not you get better mwadi. So ya we kia. We so you when you modo ya we kia. We form activities. We form menuhi. Hello.
Mr. Frank.
Hello.
How far waiting is up?
What are waiting?
Because you yourself and you are the loose guy.
What's the worry? You can't talk with that one. Now you come and plug and call them say I lose guy. What's the matter with that one?
Frank, shut up your mouth. Shut up me. You know go.
Babola we be I will bet you. I will me you we zuo babola we be. Ogun agbera gijwe. Wow, wow. Babola we be senator. Wow, ashawo. Esigu no ko all discourage you. Wow, gbeu. Go and love your bad idiot, bloody civilian. We single mother no mu where you wa. Hey, I'm winner. You get one way woman who zuo the bio. Oh, wa gun. Single mother mu where you wa koku we wa. Uhie we. That are useless men. Ni koku wa. You no go fit work. Because I don't know so now what you want to because I find no one. You see it all. Oh, where you wa. Sinitore, o mo sinitore you wa. Oh, what make no wa go gwan. Oh, wa gwan. Because only why problem, only why oh what wa kiyo sinito wa, o kiyo O kiyo On sun we ne woro wa. Sinito yo wa. A life of oh is just about woman. Useless man.
I greet you, social media king.
What?
Leave that year poem there. Beat some mercilessly for year.
And you want to make it platform.
When a Frank got you, or good a key of papa. A Frank got go where? Now Frank make you the jobless, but you know they work for Europe. You don't even get shame. You they climb live video. You hear say now Frank carry all of them come outside. I mean, and then they cry, they follow Frank so. You even get sense. Even the what they make you even climb up. You know even feel explain yourself. No go on and go here and Israel.
Oh yeah, wow.
They go and go when no kick on where to re. He can you do. Isa go boy. A black boy no man neck be ne where you ever book mo. E where mu where. But the world those yeah women when they cry they follow Frank Bola so they not see you.
No.
They don't see you. Me they cry follow you.
Apa mo you wa.
Just let some more people. Why I said you want to be me? This is the truth of the matter now. Now don't they jump up and down. Now don't they run a task scatter. Why I said fiawu? A Frank or Gogi where? What's someone out here before? And I don't know where it's talking. They just let it talk. Yeah, black boy. Why you wear beer? Where you mean? We are lucky on where to read. Yeah, where you saga wakotana bell. A refuge wong. Now let you want day. You could have wait because you now you did jobless. If Only best way they jobless. Then go feed they listen to all those women. They say Frank. They Frank Iba. They about the work with Frank or Gogi. Why I fetch you be a way me? Oh, man, don't me matana or rotona, man, why I say, oh, why I fair bell, if you not do what's why I pay you. Why I fed bell at one. Again, why I'm not here again where I'm your one or I'm your one again. First so here and yeah, first so look here was so what no so men like why I fed me. Have a whoop in it, they will nonsense. You have a social media give me a living mate in your live video. Anybody climb up, bring them up, bring me up, nickel it. We have necessarily with talking now. Yeah, nonsense. I greet you, bro. Get where?
Off way, bro.
It's alright.
Esse intore, me blocking ya wa. Ozo no. You know dame ho, no make na gbegbi. Yes. Penny guana, senator total one dame ho. Do so make na nwe because o kongbe. Just sit down. Ku weke o degbe no you wa. No swawe because we dig yiki. We over here do. We over because we defend abi ko de gbogbo ni dokbia o we hian yegbe no ku re ya wa ya le pesu ko se gbe ni gbe we yi o ko ge yi potbo sege o mana mi o kekere ne o hian ni gbo you know the truth but because the benefit you are benefiting from a single mother you cannot speak the truth because you are a lazy man. Yes now because you are a lazy man. Then me yana na o me yana I'm in my house. I mean na go na vibrate at therefore yesterday and yesterday I was still talking. When we not see it, because we are not sabo wife. Because it ba steady. O kame lack. O kame be. Ima o kame muna. Ni ya you go kame. Veni wani buja you go kuwa. Many of you guys in abroad here. O wa o muna hotel. O muna we this hotel ni straight the bed ni wash awo. Ni spray bed. But wani be the boom. Obo ba ni go wa be but wani go wa be. Uwa me yan also when you attend to my yan ga miss be ya yan ye mwebori wa owo be wepo na o mo be wo wa o ye mwebori wa o ya ran ibo no me mi ego when you are gone people like this idiot, people like this idiot, this bonfu o ha gian go because they are useless. These are the lazy Benin youth, real lazy Benin youth. No ha go that frustrate many of our women. When you see a man that is able and capable of taking responsibility of a woman, when he's talking, you will know. About love, useless beneath when they fight for child benefits. Idiot. Child benefits in Yang Benaji. That's what most of our women don't respect our men. Because they have bring themselves so low for them. They don't know their dignity. Avec Benny War. At your age, you are married to a woman, and the woman is still going for road work, having Oibo, using his ex-boyfriend to be a godfather to your children. I was Zor. Useless beneath some of our useless beneath men. They go fold their hand. Your wife gonna use his ex-boyfriend to do godfather for your picking. Or there. Akbabu. We no longer I no foul for. Meh. I now I get this video. When I just be here, when I collect it, when I go use it to get sense. I was war. O say bashawo. Ona you guys go mu you wa. Ona you guys go pay breakfast no mu yo hu because one what when the sister wa na o marry yen o wa zeri o say yin wa go hu o wa go hu na go ba e o ni fok up yaro wa go hu. So egbogbe mota tegu wa gbori oni wa gog ogog obu babo gbogole bigolele abi won ti ewe is better awat is a goat since is a goat wa sun wele orowa ay na bolofo my stand why wa de gojo ni pe bon. Why did I come on this evening? is to debunk that stupid rumors. Nyamulega, who here in social media, they no give a Sylvia Mula here in social media. If you very tell you can see your looking at a fear with you, do I baby live video? You understand? And no give my facade yo, a Sylvia facade yo. You understand? Because they not giving you it is lie. And no give you know, or say no give my facade yo. A Sylvia feel where I believe where hey. From Vita, when I can see him, all those kind of what talk. You know, get to be a go, you know. Yes, now. You know, it's like, I'm going to get up. I'm going to be here, and you will all go, you know, so I could look up. You can cook scramble, whatever. But me more. Me will be Zolemula, you know. Will be Zolemula. Here can be we to a who. We woman that's a video is our kind married woman. We do a man who we hang over have go married by him who met those sagai. Where we hang over have where we married by him and menu men went away. Every will not lock up, you are useless man. You are a stupid fool. You are not big boy sagara. All cannot have where we married woman him. That's automatically says she's a adulterous woman. For sleeping with me, and you refuse to saga her. That means you are a stupid man. Walk there, walk go here do. When I hold you water, me no me ya way. Uma saga woman, una bene, una lock up, una dale matani. You are a useless man. You are a very useless man. If I can't fear you, I will hear boy. So when I know when Frank ya walk on the road, una wa assume with the road. To ya assume when ogi. When I know, or when I not a video call or the audio call where ye robodo, but ye got Freddy Frank. On our Freddy Frank for 2 years plus, but robodo, una big way wa assume when ogi. You see the reason why I am so different from you. There is the pure reason why when me look and way. Also, me on bon. Because me, I can never stoop so low for a married woman to be sleeping around this matrimony, her matrimony at home, and I will cover for her. No. Because of 85% of them or that thing have been have all your audios. Me tell you no one say. So woba ina hamwe yin rogodo. You know you zo asha. I don't have drink. When I get Frankie Binaya dot trust. Oh, one more on go here, brother la wo esa game ni e pa yo wodo e ro wodo pa brother papa la wo e ro wodo esa game sister wo wodo e ro wodo da fun me on wa sa game oga go me gui like seriously uma setting saga no da fun e come no have you are a useless binima if you are a Benima. Because real Benima no go keep that kind of secret. Like yes, me I no keep on. I go grab her, I go beat you, I go beat the Francomoso. There is a way Bob Mozo here soon for to go and sleep with married woman. To go and sleep with married woman. You see your life? You are a fool. Sylvia! Akika of Paris. How markets? See the way you fool yourself. For your mind, they play audio. You fool yourself anyhow. When you know that being more Baba with this man, Atalakba. Nemo Iwano. No, you're a senator, no, I'm not married. You know, fear could not dig yet on the TikTok. TikTok on the Azo, man. You wire Facebook, you make you go Facebook, or what TikTok, or one moji. What do I go and get a kind of nothing room with TikTok? No matter anywhere you see I. No when you senator rain. I think you can ekegwe. Ni babola egbe. No ko wa muri obo. No de obo do kian of yoku. You understand? Ona wa kun do soto because why? We no zuwa, iri zuwa, iri babo fie kun leje. Ijo gbera, ire senator no ho wa no nyina. Na mona za biedo yi. O mona zengwa biedo yi no. Ije agiazo gia imiga no ira na takbara ko dogi oji. No ni babo fie kun le TikTok. No kere talk yeki wa here. Bring me up, bring you up, bring it up. Hey, platform ma grow. O ma hiu ba wa. No na hin supporter. Ona hin somebody no give akira na ya kuma ya yiku. Benu go besu no. We are coded tenoro we yo yitegbe gesi no tono we yesu tore. Tenoro we yo nyeke we no wa ho wana. Ikan agbe e wa ni na agbe kiawo. Oni e pa gbe kiawo legelega gbo iwo. O wi ye ga no. Ikan wo tenoro we yesu ni to. Oh, you block it. Yeah, can yeah, teenage baby, and making a damn hole. Because I am not away because of Zua. Understand? We know whatever out there. Mamma Bayabo. Oh, one year you were a Basavo. I give you quite the kind of pig, but I don't have a pin. I give you madam. Is you that get a yak, that's the Simoruku. I had the Morocco. Oh, you follow up. No, every day you have been on because it be again no go. Ashi wele. We are go here. Oh yeah, again aliziku. Oh you tower. On your wada. A big cycle. Who is the guy? The elite clitoris. Can I come and see you? No. Alice is not that robust in you. I am one euro blackberry with a vino of 99 cents. Senator, who have done this to you? On the way to me, or to me, Yaro, save Johnny. Yeah, we are 11 years in our book. Our sentence of 11 years imprisonment is a long one. Oh, Jimapa, Eliani, J. Oh, who am I, brother? Sorry, oh, save Johnny, Yare, off work for your setback and your stupidity. Very sorry, my brother. He always was he always young. That if I born Lara, but I don't believe we have to go prison. Oh, Kiri has help. Oh, God. Senator, I said you are Kiri has help. Hey, voila. Locomotive Moscow. Uzua. Any water here, bring me up. Where platform? Ya keep platform on the window. Oswald. Where platform? Ya bring me up. Oswald Macron. Who will come be? Then on what you want to bring me up, Google was Zua. On what Berak Bisway platform again. No, I ask you when we are here, but what you bring me up, we are really a mugu. In that of you, oh God, and Magale Kosha. Can you just imagine? Person they beat your papa, they beat your mom for a platform. Google was Zua. You are a stupid fool. So no one can be among you, you dig yaki. Person they insult your parents for a platform. You they type say bring me up. What have you up in up, boy? We're not there, you are already down, you remain down. You are down forever. Down, Satan. Up, Jesus. Down, Satan. Hey, Senator Rain, you are a fool. I will bear you, I will bear, even I say, we have a bear. There is why. I want to bear this way, TikTok. What a bring me up. You are really a fool. Some people see, let us be frank, forget the saga. Some people relate this stupid. When I won't be talking, when I won't be those Zua, I grab this work by the social media. What to bring me up. You are even commenting when they are insulting your father. You are a mugu. Uzua. Who get it was Zua. Go, don't let me measure. We work this way platform here. He on over. I go on my own platform. This is a sorry person. Who get it Zua, my brother? Who conscious? Jesus. Who get it was Zua? You are really a mugu idiot. Senator Rain to who are Israel very was war. Israel cannot opa Tell Joshua here. Hey, I'm my we were pre. Eziza. E wana la yo. E o wish we la yo. E na agbi ya wo. Bye bi ya wo lega lo yo. We are go jo nwene we nwene. Senator Ren already talking. Oh. Jesus. This guy is really mugu. Somebody they insult your father for TikTok. For you to open your own platform, they saga the person back, they insult the person, they blast the person back. You sit down here, they say they bring you up. Please bring me up, please. You never put please. Bring Uzua bros. Jesus. That's what you mumu. Can you just imagine? Eh? Where to do? Bring me up your boy. Who are you? Bring me up. Senator. You are really short. Ogun black. Ogun bijoué. Avabe you are. Eta wabe you are vabe you are. Gume bogra you ever no ho. Egwe. Mugu idiot. Eta be do ya we bogra to talk now. Ya wa we bogra bijoué. Can you just imagine the stupidity? Omo dog licking. What total wa ro bijoué. No wa ti wa stay. Now I'm going to you were bearing the insult. Ah, Jesus. Some people don't get shame at all. They insult your way, but it's just that they bear the ugly wazua. Ah, vabewa. Babo, Pangole Bingole, Ravijue. Wa soon when they were Ogun back Kijwe. Ijwe or Reziken, Era or Reziken, Vinyau, Yahu. Ah, vabeya or bijua. Mugu idiots. We no longer o we biagia o we attack para palo gioji o monaze bien oji very anyhow person for you to go on your platform they saga the person back what got a bring me up igbira gbijuwe who judge bring me up agba bijuwa you lay me we were very useless akiko. Arobia way. You are provoke as a man. When you catch him, when you on your live video, they saga the person. You say bring me up, big boy. Would you usually bring me up? Will they bring me up in lie? Nonsense. Tell me any person.
Only the great social media king.
I greet you.
But they go inform them, get why.
Can you just imagine?
Rossi to go too much, get why. Black boy, bring me up. If you are not be sure about generation where you have what they want. If I could go give where you party life it's a way I saga with my big one boy. A black boy, no bad way. You are where she win about who and
walk be boy and we walk back. Yeah, oh my God.
If I can't see no, I get destiny, no goddamn me picture if I can't see no, bro. And let's talk in Jake, but Mariah, ni book one, bro.
Yeah, cure, what you I'm not the idiot, you know. That's my one. You know, you can't. You know,
we are about to enter 2025. Oh, we are like 2025, right?
Everyone woman.
Investor, for so many years you have been on live video with lies. You have never teach something good. Listen, normally we all know say you and Frank could not get misunderstanding, alright? When you will tell you your rejection where it is settle in social media warrior or warrior.
Yes, now. I want to say.
Then what with Frank is sorry.
My brother, my sister, really, no get sorry. No get sorry. Imakwe, my guy.
Investor no yoyowa nekwemu total negwe because if I know what we want where we here now too much you know. Or too much. If Frankie when my beg yamwe walk up in the Frankie now they talk small.
What woman?
No,
man, that Marty iloko chido ati fole.
Ese joy ni kwemu. Ekbe mare okay we are one investor la yoyowa. Mabege obanove to gossip ma wa iye gossip ma no Frankie kosanu wa e life na ma balance my brother. E record de geri wa gbera me ni mage ade pupu yekete e battle warrior you know. We have to know because the man right from time look where my brother even when you are selling your juice plus warm and that you know merude we saga wene you understand we don't do saga long time if not be a fee maybe me and you for no fit settle till now but we make kind before those mungus you know but still a see brain no gary may invest away the peace for us. No matter I go lie, reach for this those cyber space, and nobody go fit put that shirt away from her. You understand? There is some shirt where person they wear where they pull You see this shirt of shame. Where it's alright, they no give we and pupu yeke my guy. You go in now, you never see pupu yeke neck. You never see pupu yeke neck where they use the same they compare your wife. Social media kick. When I mean neck pupu yeke or rotten
Mia, it's audio pupu yeke una kwela bi.
Audio pupu yeke wa kwela brother.
Mezo boy azo boko. Yes, we are. Share the video.
January, social media presenters they not get work. Now you they go shop overall. Share you want to become a presenter overnight. You want the talk for public. Here is a boy.
Agele, ni zobo for what?
Zobo for
wow. I feel it's most cut everywhere. It's most cut everywhere.
Me I'm beauty love and here why am in WhatsApp. Guys, me na WhatsApp share the video.
The same person where record my wife. They sent to Enogi now. Still record Enogi wife sent to me. Oh yeah, mo na here Enogi wife. Oh yeah.
Yeah, what the marriage? You may like to meet them, no, I worry. Mary, we did to meet he was transitive, even last 2 weeks. If you were transitive, Stuttgart. You may well way visit you are getting a better marriage. You look at one of Deutschland, the boss, a problem. You want to be called when we die, you know, me at you. I said, well, they don't know about it, but we're not sure what so they're not here. Can you imagine? You're not sure.
Madam, how? No, listen.
Can you imagine? You're not sure what so they're here. Oh, not the moving away again. I got doctor and I love you. Bye.
She called him for the marriage plan. How she could take go? Now we discuss
my problem. According to even me, what's so bad?
It's not October.
But I work by a somebody. When I asked before, that we wear away Jew. In our going at least I want we would be a jacket. When I work by a body, they're going to wear again with that.
After that, for 2 buses, next year, you know. The money will party, black hole, all this fake
a marriage, look at one of Deutschland. What talk of the time,
We don't see her. We don't see after that October next year. And then you to say that we will give
Kakabo, ove wese. I make anaya musoma na me wa musoma ove wese. Wa mu kwone a. Ah, okay. Ore page wa. Ah, okay. Problema. Ya le life for the boy. Ya like page that for when you get. So ya be no bawe. Ya try ni no bawe. We are making that. Oh, my problema. Okay. Mama ya wawe ma. Oh. Again, no way here. So my friend of mine is again.
We frank or less than a frank.
I'm deciding what like the women were what ya wo bet no na wa we sagani you wa movie we it all just show my beg when we tama me na problem e get busy wa you wa me get we so
na the yara really I will not gossip over him of your genogi. I will not gossip over genogi. The mugime. The same woman who me salika ya ohe. The same man olo show no basa ko France. No bien kokobiri. Kokobiri na abandon na.
Emma when I judge one from afar. O say na we
yeah.
Iwe enogie investor no yoyogwa onagele amesesi kinye ke pupu yeke okeke ni yaje record na ya me nwani gbe
kakabodi ha
ya meses alright okeke ni ya nege nata ekene ke no na record on na panu we maybe up no record in my brother because 2 years we date saga or no we saga for 2 years we atawu we malaka on we no we saga unta Unoriagwa. Salobo we say friend met up with 2 way. Salobo owa we say because ami who no wasun the relationship without be told like no we are sojina waso yekia yekia we may need the way you continue crying on social media. Waso we go be recording every Arabu ovie adoni ebia na brosi.
Owe ko bele Gambia.
Owe Gambia no we bia na we maya sioni. Ame woman no wa go we for 2 years. Umamweko nothing. And even very social media wa we dinya wa wo. Ereri ya magba because I wait ya mereri. Okeke ni we jealousy heaviness. Eke amarie we. O emi no worry we. No gena gele ameses. Okba e picture e boy na no gbe na no ge no post e picture wo kan ni. Me mi e video na e boy ni wo we na. No na atame again na we nyere 24 hours ne.
Yes.
No do Debunking.
And
we no say no na send a picture wo here go we.
More progress.
Very important. No ge na ameses very oni. Okeke ne no ge no ta. But no ge ameses. Or you will like or you will can love na go swore 2025 allow now. Or we benenuya with marriage. And for your documents, brother. Offer for your documents. And what talo here, what talo. And what talo police do move if you Nigeria. Have you a mega Dutchland gay or again?
Eki me
Yeah,
no.
move Nigeria.
Eki aso ye ki awon mo fi get the show.
Yeah, so you care. Just imagine their life. I know they came and they analyze the video. Gerita yemi no wa wesuwa. Only no ma mie obie to no more kone rita yemi. You did not see any Nigerian, any Benin where manage you. You are so useless. Really? Your video today is so nonsense. If you get sense, you for not they say, Frank, you sleep with woman where they already married, where they husband as my guy. My brother, if Frank no more, what's up, my brother? Oh, no, you know what's on it? So far, use a condom, my brother. Yeah, devil. If what you want, all the problem. If what you want, but Daffinawa, oh, where? Yeah, devil, I'm not going to tell you, me as well, the platform of heaven. If Frank, you sleeping with my guy, retire me where we are going to see. Monica ya mwe bok boy. Only wa we shock. Owo ge no charging ye gbege a family where abrosive family ya yate ya gbera gbijwa wa. Eh? Ya we ya Debunking poni ya tie nuwe. Se Frank ya eleku. Okwe police na ya arrest ma be Nigeria na retire me mo wo see. Na ya video ma be Nigeria na retire mo wo see. Obi so abaya first nya wa represent us in Eguasi. Wa jungwa pie kwemi. We get matter no na why you concern Frank yo eh? Why you guys blaming Frank? Frank is a man. He's a man. I don't understand. And women are supposed to blame because I even imagine myself. Again, I know what records here. Which man want marry you tomorrow? Been a sick kopiri. I go manage you. Hello. Because I don't see any man who go marry you tomorrow. I pity that man. Hey.
Who I told my sister for a bit.
I told my brother.
Whatever happened. Even if I like you have a Debunking because a record woman, you know, ya tag where in female with you know, in your word. You understand? The woman is not a married woman. Oh, I'm at the end of the last year. I'm seeing outside. I don't get that record. I love video. A woman is a single girl. Or my be my ho, or my marry, or my be. She's a single girl.
Frankie, may trust to where my
even one home. Time one. That lady is single. She's not married. She don't have any issue. She's not even in a relationship.
At least, a mommy JJ not that way, ye kevi, a frank estate, at least why ye have me kevi yege. None why we are rogue one Saturday. When over ya love your kid, what ye, or we go. Even so, wow, una see we matter, do not go talk. This is the reason why a lot of una no go meet up for life. Yes, many of us, many of una, because I cannot count myself among, you know. Because you get the way God, you take credit me one side because I'm not a moko. I am a smoker that have brain. You understand? I smoke and I get sense. I not be fletter. They got me.
Why
no
sense.
Lot of the your pack enter social media, yours the bulala, cassava, yours the go. Anybody where you're in boss, hey, he boss me, he writes me. You know how many writes up they did my Facebook? You know how many people they toss me in a day?
Yes, well, I would have a whole row of a bed, you know. You want a platform.
Nonsense.
La Hammer, my body's no woman. What happened? A Napoli vendors not doing Yaki bodies and woman. You is Salira, select your arrow.
If every was so a lap me. I want to go, I swear. I want to go
Umano no que so me abandon here. You might be a going to be level. I
never born.
I spend any come back, you come back.
You know what you told me. You say I should allow Frank to sign for my pregnancy.
Frank,
people swear for a cow. Jesus, I don't prefer to the smoke they go, my guy.
Oh, my
God forbid.
Oh, I tried.
Pull that to me here. Ya made them here we were around where you without be told. As long as you're so kind, I know say can be. I want me said to me, you may contact the word the way your life takes it. Yes, now. When I see the hustle, you know the hustle, you know the way I've been now. Mugu.
That's the Avielele one. Really, what? Forget all your sula. You yourself supposed to say. That will not win now. Really, Avielele, forget that one a junkie. Avielele, oh, you sula na junkie. You sula no one no enemy. Even the way Brito to kick more for one wheel to. Oh, to show me prick now, show me prick.
When you are not the material where when a Frankie does sunny echo when no documents in a Frankie, nowhere. Ya pay where you know better remember Rania. Oh, remember.
Again, what the women here that have to okay, you know the matter. If we also use like what you know. We are avion. Oh, you know avion or you don't give. Who are you know? Who are you was free?
Social media kick again, yeah. Sigma, a cigarette or see.
See, babe, again, yeah, what high name? The man of the back, see, forget that it gives that get bully. If you don't bully, yeah, you'll be. I want you will talk. Hey, me, why you fear in a liars? Oh, see,
my work of me, ballogging, me, ballogging, up ballet, tobacco, the cigar. Even with tobacco near, I wake bucket wearing a yak balloy.
Me, why where you were, show me your prick now. Show me your prick now. You got to show me your prick now. Show me your prick now. Me, why we can't go l'avion. Me, why we can't be what body, can't be what pinky for. Oh, what you here? Oh, yeah. Oh, what's one of you? You may why we can't go. What's that? Again, this screaming, Sean. Again, this screaming, babe.
Nana, all the women, if they get truth where they need to tell, okay, for problem where they come for front end, because 2025, it go to your skill for this edo cyberspace. Now 3,000 years, so you understand. So if they get truth where they want to tell it, okay, now if you don't let them tell, okay, truth, because only way to a year, a misfortune of fall into them now, or do you bring later? This is the problem. Saga can never finish. For those with the right to say saga finish, my God. I cannot go finish.
Pay me, who pay me like 11. Wow, we pay me. If you see that get to if you see Toto, oh you like level.
If you leave your manari conference call with WhatsApp. If you leave your way, why we like it? I pay me we like it. Can I wig my
see that girl like prick that pay me. You know, you go work you to what to show me prick now. Show me prick now. Well, show me prick now. Me no na bad guy. Me ain't want to get camera again. Oh, what's scream? You ain't gonna make camera. Oh, what's scream? What's it? Oh, what? You gotta get gay now.
Oh, what I want the worst to say. I will be back book when they can see a clear Latina. Oh, your mom. Oh, for now, they don't know even. When I was if you wait, they don't go later.
My sister. On a hit of the room.
Your boss, they made the comfort those are children. Now you go the
last born, oh, you're not your deal, or the boy.
Just imagine.
Who's surprised now? Who's surprised now? We only want to know. You know, I'm not a Colombia. I'm not a Colombia.
You understand?
No,
if those are daughters not come off for where you did, they're not go marry you. And this woman they go test the bola. Okay, what did you say may you do before? May you end up with her. I don't understand.
So this woman.
You end up with this kind of social media. My
brother, yeah, you were. Yeah, now when you me, now. I say what I like. I say what is that? What is that? My brother, it's more than bad. My sister, hey, who know we are not able? I get a look at one. I get one of Papillona. When I get one of Papillona. My brother. In here.
No, that is as you they shop then you not tell Mama Kevin. Now the fee say the fee poop problem.
Exactly. The thing she don't know.
You understand?
You understand?
They don't know say you be Mewara. When me and you, even they do our things, they go for those cyberspace. Where are the secrets in I pray? Even when I call you, say only no why so here, I don't understand. If I know so where ni wale ya mare ni rule mu ya lawodo mete on the ivedo ya gbita where woman dey husband has no need to dey talk about it. Why those people are doing
we're seeing any rowodo o was where you
I don't understand.
Any rowodo we forget any rowodo
money for their head.
I don't know the husband so don't use the don't want to muku no the husband.
Although I work when I wear sickness, I may give you one or wow. Later,
for you there. I must greet you.
Three for Frankie,